Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show how do we make a smoothie. Strawberries, 3 strawberries, 6 grapes, black grapes, and blueberries little bit, half banana and kiwi. Wash it with water and salt. I will cut into the pieces and make the smoothie. So అన్ని కట్ చేసుకున్నాక looks like this. So grapes వేసిన, strawberries కట్ చేసేసిన, kiwi fruits వేసేసిన, and blueberries కింద ఉన్నాయి, and banana. So if you are allergic to milk, it's an optional. You can put water and blend it. I'm putting little bit milk and don't add any sugars or anything. If you want, you can add honey. But yeah, this is how I make a morning smoothie. Kids, before going to school, if you give this, they'll get all nutritions little bit, because they don't eat fruits in the mornings. I'm using the magic blender to blend it. Just ఇది మంచిగా బ్లెండ్ అయిపోయింది. స్మూత్గా బ్లెండ్ చేసేసుకుంటే ఒక 5 minutes అట్లా పెట్టేస్తే అది బ్లెండ్ అయిపోతుంది. మిల్క్ లేని వాళ్ళు కొంచెం వాటర్ యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. It's ready to drink now. Yep, our smoothie is ready. So we can take it as a breakfast. It will be filling for up to 2 to 3 hours easily. And the other thing is, you need to drink the smoothies or any fruit juices immediately after blending. Do not keep it in the fridge or put it for the long time. It's better to drink immediately after blending. Let me try. My breakfast is done actually. Try this and you will enjoy smoothie. Hope you all like this video. If you like it, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you all. Bye.